Stick around to the end for an important summer safety tip. This Amazon delivery van is going from one gas station to another. Man, those vans must get terrible gas mileage. Oh God, this can't be legal. This black Toyota is in a left turn only lane. What do you think is going to happen?
Whoa, Nelly!
Someone just ran over the balk line. Might want to back it up a bit. There you go. That vehicle behind me seems to be weaving a bit. I wonder why. There it is! Drinking! Drinking! Oh yeah, and these two cars shouldn't be turning left here. This happens here every week. Queue up before it's too late, people. Hey look, a Segway. Aren't all the cool kids riding e-scooters now? Bullnose violation. That's not how it's done. Now that's how it's done. And now it's time for Atlanta's favorite pastime, red light running. Since when is that legal? What part of right lane must turn right confuses you? Hey look, I'm 1 mile over the speed limit. Somebody call the cops. Hey, that vehicle passed gas right into my face. How rude. The world's shortest green light strikes again. Hey, this is only happening at night. Note to self, don't come this way at night. Watch the red car pulling onto the street. He circles around and pulls back into the same place he left. I guess he forgot something. Hey, are you following me into the parking garage? Oops, guess not. And finally, a safety tip. Did you see the tennis ball? Keep an eye out for kids when you're driving through neighborhoods.